Hello, I'm Stephen, the founder of Webamon. Now we're going to look at how we threat hunt using Webamon to find what other solutions miss. When it comes to first detection or catching as early as possible, particularly around domain names, most solutions rely on one indicator, and that's the domain name. They'll look at all the newly registered domains, and then there'll be a regex or a permutation type detection for a known brand over the listed domains. So it could be PayPal with two L's, it could be PayPal with a dash, and then that's the seed, and then we scan it and expand it into more data points. With Webamon, we have multiple sources. Here we're looking at the newly registered domains from ICANN we take and scan every day. And we're also looking at the certificate transparency logs that we scrape and scan as well. These are all scanned preemptively, which allows us in our field dictionary to have 189 fields we can then threat hunt across rather than just the one domain name. And a couple of examples here. On Webamon search at intel.webamon.com, here we're looking for websites that include PayPal in the page title and don't resolve to a domain that looks like PayPal. And going to the screenshot view, we scroll down and there's already a few outliers. This one registered on the 1st of May, PayPal, and if we look at the domain name, no PayPal type detection for regex or permutation would have ever triggered this. We can keep scrolling, more PayPal, again, no PayPal mentioned in the domain name. If we take another example, one of the fields in a Webamon scan is the DOM, the Document Object Model. This is the full rendered website. Think of it as the website source code. In this example, we're looking for the string, an official website of the United States government that doesn't resolve to the gov TLD. And again, in the screenshot view, we're scrolling down. There's IRS, there's government, there's the Trump gold card, and if we keep scrolling, here's an example again. So this is hosted on netlify.app, yet it's a tax redemption center. No standard detection for the domain name would have caught that. And if we keep scrolling, we have US Military Welfare Department, USA Tips, hosted on helpusa.site and militaryaid.site. Gonna leave it there. Again, intel.webamon.com is where you can come to threat hunt all the newly registered domains every day, more than just the domain name.